This is the Center modular Euro rack synth that brings wavetables from the software world into a physical module. Create gritty sounds, add dubstep and hard trance vibes to your ambient music without a PC. The Center gives you the sounds you'd get from audio VST like Serum or June 2 in a Euro rack module without needing a computer. Wavetables, filters, all shaped and modulated by internal or external LFOs and envelopes. Create presets and turn them into sounds. The Center is a Euro rack module to be used in rack setup or as a standalone semi-modular system. Patch everything and produce your dance tracks using a single module. Your imagination is the only limit. We built this synth in our hometown, Hong Kong, and it's designed for music lovers of all ages and skill levels. From playing around with it on a sunny day to producing your next masterpiece, we aim to be at the center of your next track.
Hi, my name is Dodi and I made this Eurorack wavetable synthesizer. Enjoy the incredible sounds it makes. Thanks.